What's up guys, welcome to a speed test between the Redmi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Lite. As we know that the Redmi Note 10 is the latest mid-range smartphone which have got attractive design and some great specification at very reasonable price. So in this video we are going to do speed test between both smartphones to see the gaming performance, to find out the faster one and the best one between the Redmi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Lite. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And as always, starting from the boot up test, so here we go. Now let's see which one of them is going to be the winner of this race. As on the Redmi Note 10 we get Snapdragon 678 chip and 4GB of RAM, while on the Mi Note 10 Lite we get Snapdragon 730G chip and 8GB of RAM, which is also much expensive than the Redmi Note 10. So let's see the gaming performance of both devices. And well, you can see the first boot up test won by the Redmi Note 10 and followed by the Mi Note 10 Lite. It was a huge difference between both smartphones, and also it's quite shocking because the Redmi Note 10 is cheaper but still it has won the first boot up test. Now we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test, but before going into that, let me show you that both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see this one goes to the Mi Note 10 Lite and it was about the same, but the animations was slightly faster there, I think, on the right side once again. And again this one goes to the Mi Note 10 Lite. Now let's try these third-party applications to see the real difference between the Redmi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Lite. Okay guys, so it was a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Lite, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both devices, actually its starting point the Redmi Note 10 played very well, and I was thinking that it's gonna kill the Mi Note 10 Lite in gaming application, but after that the Mi Note 10 Lite make a comeback and won every single application against the Redmi Note 10. So the conclusion is that if you guys are thinking to buy any of them, especially for heavier games such as PUBG, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game, I will definitely prefer the Mi Note 10 Lite over the Redmi Note 10. But if you are buying just for for using social media apps and for calling messages, then I think the Redmi Note 10 would definitely the best choice for you because it is much cheaper and it have got attractive design. Also its camera quality would not be that bad because it comes with 48 megapixel with quad camera setup. So I think from the camera quality you would be satisfied from the Redmi Note 10. But at the end you guys are the one to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.